Once, Swami Vivekananda was giving his regular lectures to his disciples, when one disciple asks a question in different ways several times. Another disciple shouts at him, saying that why is he bothering the whole session and he could get his doubts cleared at some other time. Anger is a momentary madness, so refrain from it. It has many evil effects.
I apologize if I have disturbed the whole class with my attitude.
I am sorry too. Sir, please explain how does anger happen and how harmful could it be?
Anger is a very basic human emotion that often becomes a roadblock in attaining your personal goals. Anger is the hurt flowing outward. The expression of anger varies widely though. Anger acts as a signal that there is something wrong in your environment, like one of you just got irritated, unable to be patient and keep your cool.
But anger is good in a way that it gives a way out to the suppressed emotions.
Anger can never be justified and never happens to be good. When you are unhappy or situations are uncontrollable, you become angry. The mind reacts to unhappiness around, and it could be disturbing and a stressful condition for the mind.
So how do we react to unpleasant situations so as to save others of our anger fits?
I will narrate a story of the great philosopher Socrates and his wife to you. Socrates' wife is believed to be a bad-tempered woman. One day she abused Socrates amongst his students for not being able to earn enough to feed his 3 children, and she threw a jar full of water on him. Such was the extent of her anger. Even then he remained quiet, only taking the incidents in a philosophical way.
But everybody cannot be so philosophical.
True. All I'm trying to say is not all situations would be so grave, and any person can acquire strength to control his reaction like Socrates. Emotional stress is not the only harm caused, but relationships are also damaged. Apart from mental stress, it injures the body also. Improper functioning of different organs, imbalance of blood sugar, etc.
So what do you suggest? How should we deal with anger?
Express it, but gently. Express your concerns. Do not shout, and be careful not to hurt others' feelings. Learn to accept others as they are.
But Swamiji, there are times when I cannot control my anger and feel agitated. The feeling is so strong that I cannot escape.
Why do you want to escape? There is no need to escape from your inner feelings. Just try and sideline them. Redirect your anger to do something constructive. Maybe get up and go for a walk, or just start writing on a piece of paper about your mental state at that moment.
Also expect less from others and set realistic goals for yourself.
I was devastated when my father died. Being the eldest son, I had to take the responsibility. I kept questioning to myself, why did God choose my father? Why will I have to bear the burden, etc. I used to be so angry that on visiting temple, I asked Ramakrishna Paramhams to make the offerings to God on my behalf. In later years, I found all my answers and became what I am today. So to achieve greater goals, you have to put all your efforts.